Alright, so videos are easier than pictures. First thing you want to do is get your two fingers and obviously open that up, and in either side of the center there'll be like a little gap that you just sort of press against and pull up at the same time. It doesn't come easily, but it does come. Lift that up like that. You need something, I'm using these to get in under here. Lift that up, and then you can basically just pull this whole thing out like that, and that comes out. Put that somewhere where you're not going to lose it. And then using the same utensils, there's a little black plug down here. Actually, I'll do this here. You get in behind it and push, and then when you do that, you pull the whole lot up. It needs a bit of wedge force. Then you get that out, and there's a little clip on the side. So just in here, side of the clip, you got to push on that, and then it all comes out. So you want to just push on that tab there like that. So that's your whole center console disassembled and ready to wire in.